Most of the time, AliExpress, with its constant emails when you buy stuff, I don't mind the updates. They're actually kind of relevant. Most of the time, the suggested things are actually interesting. You know, you got generic stuff there, but then these things are, laser pointers, tech, massage stuff, rechargeable things. These are stuff I would, stab vest. I've bought stab stuff before. They just most of it is relevant. Paint DIY. Um, Pink solid stone dildos. I've never done a search for pink solid stone crystal dildos or any kind of dildo. I don't think so. I would have noticed typing in giant rock solid freezing cold penis.